In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your billing details are saved correctly so your subscriptions keep running without interruption. First, open your browser and go to your Squarespace account dashboard. If you're prompted, sign in. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Click the site you want to update. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you pick the one tied to the subscription you want to pay for, so you don't update the wrong account. Once the site opens, look for the main menu and go into Settings. Inside Settings, find the Billing section. This is where Squarespace keeps your subscription, invoices, and payment information. Click Billing to open it, then choose the option that lets you manage and edit your billing information. You're heading to the Payment Information page. On the Payment Information page, select Add Payment Method. Have your card details ready so this goes smoothly. You'll be asked for the card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Type these in carefully to avoid typos. If there's an option to set this as your primary or default method, use it so future renewals automatically use the new card. If you see a Select or Confirm button after entering the details, click it to finalize the card entry. Next, you'll add the billing address for this payment method. Click Address to open the billing address form. Enter the address exactly as it appears with your bank or card issuer. Matching the street, city, postal code, and country prevents verification errors and declines. If your business has a separate billing address from your shipping or office address, use the official billing one here. When everything looks correct, click Save Billing Address. Give it a moment to process. You should see your new payment method listed, along with the updated billing address. If you entered multiple payment methods, make sure the one you just added is marked as the one you intend to use going forward. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips before you go. Double-check for expired dates or transposed digits if you run into errors. Ensure your billing address matches your card statement, and if you manage more than one site, repeat these steps for each site that needs a different payment method. Keeping this information current helps avoid failed renewals and service interruptions. Thanks for watching, and you're all